Assalamu alaikum. This is Noman Javed.
This is Ahsan Parvez.
And you are watching us on S Stories.
Yeah.
और हम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं?
I don't know.
हम लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं बॉसमैन अपने नए शो के बारे में बात करने जिसका नाम है कोनिचिवा। मतलब आपने खुद ढूंढना है, मेरे को तंग नहीं करना और नुमान जावेद को भी तंग नहीं करना, एहसन परवेज को भी तंग नहीं करना।
Thank you. Shut up, Noman.
या ओके एहसन।
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to yet again another edition of the S Stories on, of course, my official YouTube channel. And every Friday, 7 p.m. आप लोगों से मुलाकात होती है. This time around, I'm super excited because there's a lot of energy, a lot of hustle and bustle in the studios of the S Studio today. And I'm going to be interviewing two individuals जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा talented हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा known हैं, respected हैं. मगर एक बात जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है उन दोनों की is that they're very grounded and they're brilliant human beings. So for me, I feel that जो सच्चा आर्टिस्ट होता है ना वो एक अच्छा इंसान भी होता है. That is one thing about the both of them. So let's warmly welcome the boss men. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, boys.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Thank you for having us over. And it was an amazing introduction.
We are not that good though.
We are not.
No, trust me.
हमारे में
these
इतनी
guys
एनर्जी
are
नहीं है बोलने की.
क्या बात है, बड़ी मैचिंग शैचिंग की हुई है
बस
जी.
यार मोहब्बत के लेवल्स कुछ और हैं.
क्या बात है. Well, let me formally introduce
Why?
them
Why
as well
would I say
because we got to do what we got
That's
to
a wrong
do.
answer.
Let's start with Noman Javed first. Okay, Noman Javed needs absolutely no introduction whatsoever, but still, he is a singer, he is a musician, but most importantly, he's a wonderful human being. कैसे हैं आप? ठीक ठाक हैं?
Alhamdulillah. How are you?
Good, good, good. As always, looking great. And thank you so very much for coming in. Yeah, yeah. But आपके
आज
जूते
आते
क्यों
You do, man. You do.
जूते क्यों नहीं उतरे? मैं हैरान हो गई.
जूते इसलिए पहने हो कि मेरी सैंडल्स टूट गई हैं.
नहीं अब ये जूते पहनना शुरू हो गया है.
अच्छा.
I want him to wear shoes.
But I will not wear shoes.
ये आपकी
I don't
सोबत
want
में
to
रह
wear
रहे कि थोड़े से जूते लगता है वापस आ गए. तो next up, ladies and gentlemen, is somebody who is known and loved in the entire music fraternity because he's done so much. We have Ahsan Parvez Mehdi here. Ta-da! Now this guy is a musician, he's a singer, he's a producer, and again जो है ये बड़ी eccentric thinking है इनकी जो मुझे बड़ी पसंद है.
I mean, yeah, I have a right to think.
शुक्र है किसी को पसंद है.
जरा unique personality होनी चाहिए ना इंसान की.
नहीं, I mean, that's what I learned, I think.
Yeah, agree.
from
I
life.
agree.
Yeah.
Acha, I love the fact that you guys are always experimenting something or the other. The boss men are coming out with. But let's take a step back and let's come up with a theory on how and why did you guys start Room Files and Bossman? क्या सोच रहे थे? What was going on? What led to it?
Please.
The thing is that कि on a serious note, मजाक को हटा के अगर बात करें तो we used to discuss कि यार music industry में कुछ हो नहीं रहा. The way the direction of the music industry, it was a bit odd just because we were only living on fumes. When I say fumes, I mean covers.
Yeah.
There was no original content. And then there was the lack of official platforms जहाँ पे किसी का अच्छा music आए दिखे. And not everybody can afford to make a music video because it's expensive. और नए बच्चे के लिए आके कुछ अपनी चीज़ खुद से बनाना कि ऑडियो बनवाओ पहले इतने लाखों का फिर कुछ मिलियंस का वीडियो बनाओ. सो इट वाज नॉट डूएबल फॉर अ न्यू कमर और किसी भी मशीनरी को चलने के लिए नए इंजन ऑयल की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. सो इवेंचुअली Ahsan gave me a call one night कि यार let's do something about it. Let's just make a platform. Let's just dive into it without even realizing कि हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं. But let's just do it. So are you on board? And I'm like, dude, end तक जाएगा boy तेरे
Ay,
साथ.
sweet.
Boy, गलत कहा इसने.
End तक जाएगा आदमी तेरे साथ.
Hey, I love that about both of you. You guys always say yes to good ideas. Acha, how did you guys meet? मुझे ये बताओ ना. How did you
कुंभ
guys
के
get-
मेले में.
Way back, 16, 17 years ago.
Yeah.
Acha.
15, 16 years.
15, 16
But
years.
you know, I'll tell you something. You know how the first time I saw Noman, I don't know if he remembers or not. So,
तन्हाई में छाया.
अच्छा ठीक है, उन्होंने लॉन्च की लाहौर में, आपको याद?
हाँ हाँ.
ठीक है, जब लॉन्च थी, अच्छा आपको याद नहीं, मैं याद करा देती हूँ. तो जी नुमान जावेद का बड़ा सीन होता था. ठीक है जी, लॉन्च चल रही है, एक सीन है, एक पार्टी है, हम सारे वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. नुमान उधर जी बादशाहों की तरह चल के आ रहे हैं, जूते शूते हैं नहीं. ठीक है, बट आई लव्ड हिज ऑरा. His aura was always so
I was very
approachable.
embarrassing back then.
No.
अपने लिए भी लोगों के लिए भी.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know.
you were.
I don't think he was embarrassing.
So I do.
I think he was unique, and that's what made him, you know, a little different from the rest. Acha, Ahsan, you've mashallah done so much in the music fraternity, and I loved Vilo, what you did with Vilo this time
thank you.
around also.
Thanks a lot.
And I'm sure आपको बहुत ज़्यादा feedback आया होगा.
Yeah.
What was the kind of feedback you got?
For me, the whole show was very, very positive, as in म्यूजिकल सेंस, बिकॉज सारा जितने भी गाने हुए हैं इस पूरे शो में वो डिफरेंट थे. इवन दैट Taka Tak band was there performing that kind of song was
brilliant.
phenomenal for me on that kind of stage with an amazing dancer. और वो it was phenomenal. The whole thing was phenomenal and I was very happy to be a part of that show. और बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे करने में. अब बिलाल भाई ने कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं की. उन्होंने कहा जो तुझे अच्छा लगता है, जो whatever you feel like, you just take care of it and do it.
Creative
So
freedom,
somebody gave me that freedom. On that level, so I was pretty excited and happy. And
You know, the very first time when I met Ehsan na, तो उस वक्त लोगों को the music that he was doing the similar kind of music back then 15 years ago, but the industry and the people, they were not ready for it, so he was practically ahead of time.
Ahead of his
So
time.
that was the thing जो मुझे बड़ी मज़ेदार लगी, because I am a very experimental आदमी, personal life से लेके career में
इस
लेके.
चीज का हमें बिल्कुल अंदाजा है, बहुत अच्छी
तो
तरह अंदाजा है जी.
वो I like to try out different things. तो उसके बीच में his sound was really appealing to me because it was unique, it was different. So उस चीज़ को एक वक्त लगा 10 से 12 साल for people to come on that point कि उनको वो चीज़ समझ आना शुरू हो. And he has been doing it for like past 15
He was a
years.
visionary,
हाँ,
right? He was a
वो
visionary.
हाइट का एडवांटेज है, ऊपर से चीज़ें दिखती हैं, हाइट ज़्यादा.
I think I would give credit to his family and his roots. इनके वालिद साहब, इनके बड़े भाई.
हाँ जी.
Actually his elder brother.
मैंने सारा अपने बड़े भाई से सीखा जितना भी मुझे आता है.
And I think he has such a अच्छा इनकी अली की जो personality है ना मुझे बड़े मज़े की लगती है. He has a very strong presence. When he is in the room,
Yeah.
you actually listen to what he has to say. अच्छा वो तो बड़े भाई की तरह आपको कहते हैं ना, अच्छा चुप करो मुझे पता है मैंने क्या करना है.
He's a bully.
छोटा बंदा कुत्ता बना दे, छोटा
पुराना बनाया.
वो वाले हालात चल रहे हैं. अच्छा
नहीं वो तो पहले थे. now he's very nice with me.
अरे क्या बात है. पोस्ट भी लो हाँ.
we make music together.
Yeah.
And he loves me. वैसे भी तो बड़ा मजा आता है. अब तो we share the same
That's nice.
emotions and everything.
I'm sure you do. अच्छा एक सवाल है जो काफ़ी लोग भी करते हैं, वो ये पूछते हैं कि अच्छा देखिए आप अगर प्लेटफॉर्म्स के बारे में बात करें, you've got Coke Studio, you've got Nescafe Basement, you've got Pepsi Battle of the Bands, there's so many others as well. How do they help artists eventually?
देखिए, it's a good thing that we have this many platforms. At
Yeah.
least we have something.
ठीक.
We are not against any kind of music. जितना म्यूजिक आएगा उतना अच्छा इंडस्ट्री के लिए. हमें ये लगता है कि कम आ रहा है. हमारा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमें लगता है कम आ रहा है.
हाँ.
और जो आ रहा है वो तकरीबन एक ही जैसा है.
ठीक.
उसके बीच में होता है ना कि इनकी एक अपनी पहचान है, एक की डायरेक्शन कुछ और है. सो इट्स प्रैक्टिकली द सेम काइंड ऑफ थिंग ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. जो कि एक बड़ी अच्छी बात बोली थी अली नूर ने, कबरदाज आप.
कबरदार.
तो वी आर डन विद कवर द अजाब. कवर का अजाब होता है तो उससे हमने कवर का अजाब अली नूर केम अप विद द टर्म कि इनफ ऑफ कवर्स. आपको नया गाना करना है, नया म्यूजिक करना है, ओरिजिनल कंटेंट प्रोड्यूस करे. बिकॉज किसी को तो इस वक्त का गालिब बनना है, इस ज़माने का गालिब भी बनना है, इस ज़माने का इकबाल भी बनना है, इस ज़माने की मैडम नूर जहाँ भी बनना है, मोहम्मद रफ़ी भी बनना है. अगर हम
मेरा
सब
ख्याल है हम एक्सपेक्ट वो चीज़ें ना करें जो वो करते थे, क्योंकि
ज़माना बदल गया. ट्रू.
ज़माना चेंज हो गया. तो ये आपका ये सब लोग कुछ और होंगे. वो इस नई जनरेशन के लिए होंगे. हमारे लिए वो थे, बट आई मीन
ट्रू दैट.
हाँ नहीं of course, but I always feel देखिए बहुत अच्छी बात है आप कवर ज़रूर करें.
बिल्कुल
Why
करें.
not? Sometimes you have to
Yes,
do it.
you have to.
Right, but by the end of the day, after 20 years, या तो आपकी ओरिजिनल गाने या ओरिजिनल कंटेंट याद रहेगा ना. अच्छा आजकल के ज़माने में अगर आप वाइटल साइंस को पकड़ें या अगर आप जुनून को पकड़ें, आवाज़ को पकड़ें, स्ट्रिंग्स को पकड़ें, what do you remember? Their albums, right?
albums, their
All
original
of their
content.
albums. नाज़िया हसन.
लिरिक्स आज तक याद है.
हाँ मगर उसके अंदर भी बिल्कुल इंस्पिरेशनल उन्होंने हासिल की थी. उन्होंने भी छापे मारे थे. नो डाउट अबाउट
It's
दैट.
fine. It is fine.
राइट.
किसी हमारे एक म्यूजिशियन फ्रेंड ने बोला था कि यार हमारे कवर कब करेंगे लोग.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
अगर हम ही कवर करते रहे आज तक तो हमारे गानों को कवर कौन करेगा.
करेंगे. बिल्कुल सही बात है. अच्छा नाउ लेट्स कम टू द ऑनलाइन स्ट्रीमिंग लिंक्स. ठीक है, अब दुनिया बदल गई.
वेरी
इस ज़माने में पहले लोग रेडियो सुनते थे, फिर टीवी आ गया, उसके बाद जो है जब सोशल मीडिया आया तो कम्युनिटी स्टार्ट हो गई और फिर सडनली स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म स्टार्ट हो गए. जिस तरह से पटारी है, ठीक है, जिस तरह एक ज़माने में ताज़ी था, उसके बाद वो चला गया, फिर और आगे अब आगे स्पॉटिफाई आ गया. हाउ आर दे हेल्पिंग एंड एडिंग म्यूजिशियंस एंड सिंगर्स इन द डिजिटल एरा इन योर ओपिनियन?
It's a platform. As I said कि we need more platforms. I wish कि ये platforms जो है ये थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट करे एक आर्टिस्ट को इन टर्म्स ऑफ फाइनेंसेस कि जो वो बना रहे हैं उनको उसकी रॉयल्टीज़ दें इफ़ दे आर मेकिंग मनी आउट ऑफ इट. अदरवाइज इफ़ दे आर नॉट मेकिंग मनी आउट ऑफ इट, एटलीस्ट दे शुड प्रमोट स्पेशली न्यू टैलेंट, रिगार्डलेस कि यार उनके वीडियो की क्वालिटी क्या है, ऑडियो के अंदर क्या है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि यार जिसका बुरा काम भी आ रहा है आप चला दे, बिकॉज दैट वुड बी रॉन्ग.
ये भी एक सीन है कि नई जनरेशन को भी पता होना चाहिए इन सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स का, हाउ टू यूज देम और हाउ टू गेन देयर
Mileage कैसे लें
माइलेज एंड मनी और वट एवर दे नीड आउट ऑफ इट, वो कैसे करना. आई थिंक इसकी भी इसका एक्सपोजर नहीं है बिल्कुल भी.
अच्छा, weirdly we are living in the best times कि अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं आप कर सकते
हाँ,
हैं.
बट यू शुड नो.
हाँ, you should know how to do it.
हाँ.
अभी सिर्फ वो नहीं करेगा जो नहीं करना चाहता.
Right.
If you want to do it, the world is at your fingertips.
in these 2 COVID years,
Yeah.
I think सबके टाइम मिला है बैठने का और सोचने का कि क्या करें.
Which reminds me, what have been, let me rephrase, what has been the most learning experience for you in the COVID-19 era?
I love those years. Like ये 2 साल I think मेरी ज़िंदगी के best years थे.
How come?
लोग मर रहे थे, he was happy.
No. It's not about that. मरना तो सबने है. हमने भी जाना है.
नुमान आपकी तीली backfire हुई.
It's inevitable. मेरा नहीं ख्याल ये बुरी बात है किसी का मरना. It's inevitable और सबने जाना है. तो मगर ये कि आपको सब ब्रेक लग गई और सबको उस तेज लाइफ में से बैठने का मौका मिल गया और सोचने का मौका मिल गया कि क्या है. क्योंकि एवरीबडी इज डाइंग आपकी सराउंडिंग्स में. तो आप पे भी हो सकता है कल परसों हालात ऐसे
And
थे.
losing their jobs and money.
यस, हालात ऐसे थे कि
Yes.
सब कुछ भी नहीं था. एवरीबडी वाज स्टक.
Yeah.
एंड दैट वाज द मोमेंट व्हेन मैंने रियलाइज किया कि यार इट्स गोना एंड सून, सो लेट्स डू व्हाटएवर आई वांट टू, व्हाट मेक्स मी हैप्पी. बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि ज़िंदगी का मकसद एक ही है और वो है आपका खुश रहना.
Right.
पैसा भी वही लाता है, खुशी ही लाता है आपके लिए, इसीलिए आप कमाते हैं. ज़्यादा कम लाता है, ज़्यादा लाता है, इट्स योर वो क्या कहते हैं
Ups
उसे,
and downs
मीटर
होता
है
है, मीटर है,
आपका.
चलता
आप
रहता है.
कहाँ पे खुश हैं, कहाँ पे नहीं.
That's a beautiful thought.
Yeah,
Yes.
so
Because it
I
gave us
believe in
time
that.
to reflect and think and understand कि यार क्या चीज़ important है. We were too occupied with कि यार मुझे ये चाहिए, फलाना चाहिए, but when you know कि यार your life is at
मुझे ये
stake,
चाहिए.
तो आपको समझ आती है
तो
मुझे
then
ये
you're
चाहिए,
good.
मुझे सुकून चाहिए.
Yeah.
I want to be happy. Like I want to do this. It makes me happy. मुझे बड़ी गाड़ी इसलिए नहीं चाहिए कि मुझे किसी को दिखाना है. मुझे इस टाइम पे एक बर्गर खाना है
और सुकून करना है.
Little joys in life.
That's it.
है ना? And sometimes I think we ignore little joys in life also, which can be good weather, which can be food on the table, our favorite kind of food,
Yes.
A best friend that we just having a
Yes.
good conversation with.
अच्छा, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह we have been lucky that we realized this a very long time ago. Yes, लेकिन उसके ऊपर आके कोविड ने थोड़ा सा और उसको बैकअप कर दिया. But we have the best time when we guys are together, even with the kids around. हम लोग पार्टी करते हैं,
हम हमारी
अच्छा
पार्टी
खाते
ये
हैं,
होती है.
मूवी देखते हैं, म्यूजिक सुनते हैं, हंसते हैं, गप्पे मारते हैं, जुगते लगाते हैं एक दूसरे को. And that's
Good
our life.
times.
Good times.
As real as it gets.
Every
I
day is a
love
memory.
that. I
Every day is a
love
memory
it.
for us.
Every
Wonderful.
day should be a memory.
Yes,
Should be.
100%.
I think learn from the best, ladies and gentlemen. अच्छा, अब आते हैं नई जनरेशन के ऊपर. अच्छा, मेरी तो अक्सर जो है ना बहस होती है ये लोगों से. मैं इनको कहती हूँ देखो अब वो ज़माने चले गए हैं जिसमें हम कहें यार हमारे ज़माने की बातें अलग थी. बिल्कुल अलग थी. हर ज़माने की बातें अलग होती है. It's because of nostalgia. It's because of your personal experience. You remember those things and perhaps it gives you a certain kind of a feeling. But now the generation has changed. You need to respect that generation
Yes,
as
we
well.
must.
So let's move on and start to adapt ourselves accordingly. Who are the musicians that you're loving these days and the singers that you're listening to? Unki music.
I love Shamoon. Shamoon is pretty nice.
I think he's got a really nice
I love
vibe.
Natasha Noorani.
She's brilliant.
Ali Sohail, Takatak, and a lot of people. Like they are crazy musicians. They think differently, and I love their music.
I really enjoyed Abdullah Siddiqui.
Oh my.
Yeah, Abdullah
What a
Siddiqui.
great
Yes.
He's a genius. And just imagine in the past 2 years, he's churned out 2 albums. 2 albums and collaborations.
Yeah.
And I love his uniqueness. You know,
And music
he's
is
very
all about
unique.
collaboration. हम
Yeah.
लोग भी जो music create करते हैं, things can never be a one man thing. Yes, you can have a certain identity अपनी कि यार आपका ऐसा music है फलाना. But when you work with other musicians, उनकी जो एक input आती है ना, चाहे वो एक chord की होती है,
हाँ.
चाहे एक line की होती है, it makes you think something bigger, something that becomes very unique.
Right.
And I think we experience it on daily basis.
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
मेरे बहुत सारे गाने
हमें भी काफ़ी अरसे बाद जाके रियलाइज़ हुआ मुझे कि म्यूज़िक इज़ अबाउट डूइंग इट विद डिफरेंट पीपल. इट इज़ म्यूज़िक इज़ दैट
It is.
टू हाउ टू कनेक्ट.
Absolutely, absolutely. अच्छा, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो आजकल की जनरेशन है, एक जो मैं इनको खास तौर पे ब्राउनी पॉइंट ज़रूर दूंगी वो ये है that they've built a fraternity and they're very close. you know, और उन्होंने ये नहीं कि अच्छा यार मैं इसको क्यों सपोर्ट करूं, क्यों encourage करूं, why should I tweet about him?
Politically correct आए हैं ना ये लोग,
है ना?
PC culture से.
PC culture, कोई
they
हमारी
are
culture नहीं,
kind,
holiday in
they are
culture
good.
नहीं है. हाँ नहीं, but I do admire that about him. So now finally moving towards my favorite question, boys. अच्छा मुझे ये बताएं कि एक तो चीज़ आप लोग हमेशा करते रहते जो कि है एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन. तो आप क्या सुशी खा रहे थे, कोई जापान का विजिट कर रहे थे, ये क्या सिलसिला है भाई, कुछ बताएं मुझे.
You're talking about Konichiwa.
Absolutely.
Our new show, Bossman का नया show Konichiwa देखिएगा.
Woo.
याद रखिए.
याद रखिएगा.
रखिएगा.
Like, subscribe and every other thing.
So how did you come up with the name and what is the
अच्छा,
concept of
उसमें
this
हुआ
show?
ये कि
Yeah.
we were thinking of names, different names, and
Let's not say the other one.
क्या?
Oh yeah.
We'll save them.
हाँ, we'll save them for the other ones. yeah. तो हमने बहुत सारे
Keep
नाम
watching for that.
सोचे और उसके बीच में हुआ ये कि एसन came up with this one name that really got stuck with us, but eventually problem ये है कि the kind of music that we were doing, वो गाना, वो जो नाम था वो उस तरह की म्यूजिक को cater नहीं करता
ठीक.
था. तो उसको साइड पे गया, and because I like having sushi and I think differently kind of, तो अचानक से मेरे जहन में आया, because we are big fans of anime as well,
Yeah.
एसन and I, हम लोग वो
Yeah.
देखते हैं. तो we have this association with, आप अक्सर देखेंगे हमारे म्यूजिक वीडियोस में भी आपको नजर आएंगे वो Japanese and Chinese lanterns and
I
stuff.
remember at one point of time you started a comic series. Do you remember that? These strips that you were doing that you started? I don't know, it was with
It's the
Essen? Was it with
It was
Essen?
for me, yeah.
Yeah?
वो एक ही स्क्रिप्ट थी और वो मैं खुद ही बना के
अच्छा,
लगाता
अच्छा
था.
मुझे याद है वो. तो you were into it,
No.
I'm gonna do that.
No, I'll do that again. No, I have to do like for the very first time.
अच्छा, coming back to that. तो I mentioned a name called Konnichiwa.
ठीक है.
And that's Japanese greeting कि good day.
Have a good day.
वो कुछ लंबा सा है, Konnichiwa, Bokina, Popinen, something like that, but नहीं, Konnichiwa.
Cut it short.
हाँ, so it's Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
तो उसके अंदर भी हमने सोचा कि यार let's just do this show जिसका नाम Konnichiwa होगा. This name is Good Day,
Yeah.
and the music is all about singing live, one take, no redubbings, no retakes. Anybody makes a mistake, you gotta redo it
Just like old times.
Or with the mistakes.
with the mistakes.
With the
We
mistakes.
own our mistakes as well,
Yeah,
because we
yeah.
are only human.
So it's live.
It's
and
live
it's
as
real?
live can
It's
be.
bit raw, yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, so for people watching this as well, so how can they sort of watch your videos and how can they subscribe? So can you spell it out for them as well? We'll be showing a visual as well.
BOSSMENN official. So it's Bossman official on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.
Perfect, perfect. Okay, so I think it's time for this segment now that we'll be saying goodbye to you guys as well. But you know, as always, it was such a pleasure to have both of you here, and I'm looking forward to certain interesting episodes with you. एक लगे में phone के ऊपर और कह रहे हैं as real as it gets, हैं जी. एक अपने कुछ पुरानी चीजें याद करें. I'm loving this episode, man. Okay, now the segment is going to do a little bit of an interesting activity with you guys. So I have to mention a few questions to you, and then I will ask a few questions to you. But you have to answer them quickly, okay? So we'll start with Noman first. Noman, you ready? Okay. His favorite Pakistani personality.
His favorite Pakistani personality? Oh, there could be many. Like, many.
T.
Probably his brother. Ali.
Is that true? Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, the current song that he is jamming to
Oh.
on the loop.
Oh यार उसका अभी recently आया उसका ना Post Malone का क्या नाम है गाने का? I don't know the name of the song.
T. Okay, what's the name of the track?
I even know that myself.
You don't know yourself, but it's Post
Well,
Malone.
that's a mystery to
Post
everybody.
Malone, right?
मेरे ख्याल से
Yeah,
Post
Post
Malone
Malone,
को भी नहीं
Post
पता होगा कौन सा गाना है. Okay, the favorite song, his favorite song,
His favorite song?
absolute favorite song.
Oh,
that
it's
he
a
loves.
hardcore. But I know ये गाना इसको यार कैलाश खेर का वो कौन सा गाना है?
तेरी दीवान?
नहीं दूसरा वाला.
Same, yeah.
सही है.
Such a beautiful
I love
song.
that
Wow.
Because he fell
Good
in love with
going.
his wife
Oh.
when he heard that song. वो moment थी जब.
Oh my God. Really?
Yeah.
That's such a sweet story. Okay, the most commonly asked question जब ऐसे से कोई सवाल करते हैं तो सबसे ज़्यादा क्या सवाल पूछते हैं? कोई एक
ऐसा नहीं करता. ज़्यादा सवाल. सबसे ज़्यादा
ये
सवाल.
जवाब देना पसंद नहीं करते हैं सवाल
यार
करना?
आप फोन क्यों नहीं उठाते?
Okay, okay. Now, his favorite city or country to perform in, that he loves this city or a country, the vibe of that place.
The vibe of that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would like to say America, but I don't feel like it, kind of. Huh?
I don't even know
He
myself.
doesn't even know himself.
There are
yeah.
things that they're discovering
hates
about
traveling.
each other for the first time.
I like
Oh yes, Paris.
Okay. Hurry, all right. Okay, so last question for you. That one food item that he simply cannot say no to, that he loves.
Food item.
Yeah.
That would be like meat.
Really?
Gosht.
He's like a hardcore carnivore.
हाँ, gosht.
ठीक है?
Yeah, gosht
क्या
food.
बात-
Cabra, you know, cabra. He likes
Excellent,
cabra.
Numan Javed. 10 on 10, man. You really know your best friend. But
It's going to be
That's
fancy.
wrong.
the pressure is
That's
on you.
wrong. That's wrong. I should not know him this well. That's wrong.
Yeah, you
ये
should be.
बीवियों का काम है इतना
मैं
अच्छा
embarrass
करना।
होने वाला हूँ ना अभी.
हाँ हाँ big time.
You know what was happening, Abhi? Your sons were actually enjoying this conversation because they're trying to guess also. You know, they were trying to like guess what's the right answer. Okay, Essen, you ready? That one habit of his that no one knows.
Oh, nobody should know that. I think.
It should remain a
Yeah,
secret
I know,
forever.
I know, but no.
Because we
you
share
should.
that similar habit and
Yeah,
nobody should.
you-
Okay,
you guys.
I'll
No,
ask them off
we
air.
don't.
Okay, मैं बता देता हूँ.
नहीं,
Fact
नहीं,
में.
you. Why would you?
Fact में.
Okay, next one. One movie he can watch over and over again. He loves it.
Shawshank Redemption.
Oh my God, that's a brilliant movie.
Yeah.
Good choice. Okay, according to him, he always says, "Yaar, ये सबसे underrated Pakistani singer है या musician है."
Who?
He says.
Okay.
Yeah. Who do
Okay.
you think is that one underrated Pakistani musician or singer that he's
Hassan
like,
Jamil,
"Yaar,
probably.
he deserves a lot of attention."
Who?
I like him.
You like him, right?
Ah, he's fun.
So this is the question, right?
नहीं.
I don't think so.
कौन है artist?
Underrated. Like he always says.
हाँ मेरे लिए कौन underrated? यार इसको मौका मिल रहा है
मैं?
इसको.
Okay, then. All right. So, if a movie was to be made on his life, who do you think he would want the actor to play his character?
ये बता boy.
Okay.
Which actor would he choose to play his own character in a movie made on his
There are
life?
not too many good artists in Pakistan. So I
Okay,
don't
it could be an international actor.
know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Javier Bardem, probably.
Really? You-
हाँ मैं.
Ah, nice.
Javier Bardem.
Okay, one word that he feels describes him best.
Sorry.
वो लफ्ज़ जो मुझे
Earth to
describe
Essen,
करता है.
tick, 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 knock,
एक
knock.
वो
Yeah.
लफ्ज़ जो तुझे describe करता है.
Yeah.
Perfectionist, I think.
Perfectionist, ooh, yeah, Vese, that's true because he's very much hardworking and
Yeah.
dedicated. Okay, so if his life had a background score, which song would he choose? Playing at the back.
Okay. No. It's going to be some weird, sad, dark song.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that true,
From
Numan?
some death metal.
Yes, yes.
Death
That
metal?
metal.
हाँ नहीं यही है. I can tell ना. I see it like.
फिल्म तू बना रहा था
हाँ,
ठीक है.
so.
I love that, man. I think कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो उनको खुद भी नहीं पता आज उन्होंने discover की. Bravo, both of you. A job well done. Thank you so much for coming in. I wish we had more time, but you know, a lot's on the platter actually. So, what are the future plans for the dynamic duo?
The Bossman.
The Bossman.
I mean, yeah, we're gonna produce a lot of stuff, a lot of content.
Season 3 is coming out of Bossman Room Files. Room Files season 3 आ रहा है. Konichiwa का भी पहला season है, and we are going to continue this, I think, every week.
Yeah.
One episode.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And it's a year-old thing. पूरा साल चलेगा ये कि हम कुछ
We don't know yet, but we are planning to do it like every week or something
Okay.
like that.
So
yeah.
you're going with the flow that
Yeah,
way.
yeah, yeah.
I love that. So for example, if somebody is watching this right now and that person feels, I also want to be a part of it, how can they get in touch with you?
For right now, it's almost like we're almost
full of
Perhaps for the next season or perhaps a
with
collaboration with you.
Konichiwa we have a little like leeway कि उसमें हम कुछ लोगों को एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, but then again अगर आप क्राइटेरिया जानना चाहते हैं तो उसमें है कि
you should be best.
you should be good at what you're doing.
No, the best.
The best, yes.
Yeah.
And bring out ideas which are unique and original as opposed to क्या पुरानी चीज.
Not the
Be
usual.
who you are as opposed to trying to be somebody else कि यार मैं ऐसा बनता हूँ, उसके टोन में गाता हूँ, हमें आप चाहिए, हमारे पास वो ऑलरेडी है जिसकी तरह आप गाने की कोशिश
क्या
करो.
बात है, क्या बात है, तालियां. Numan, that was very well said. Be original. That's the best
Yeah,
version
yeah,
of
yeah.
yourself
क्या
that
बात
you
है
can
मेरी?
be.
ऐसा भाई,
नहीं,
ऐसा भाई नहीं
बात
नहीं नहीं बात.
No, Essen doesn't agree. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much for watching Numan Javed, Essen Pervez. Thank you so very much. इसके बाद क्या plan है, boys? Where are you guys off to?
I don't know.
काम करेंगे.
Okay, check out करें ना. Hard working, dedicated, loyal boys.
नहीं हमारे पास और कुछ है.
और कुछ है नहीं.
So yeah.
And we are
मैं
lucky,
आपकी तारीफ कर रही हूँ,
alhamdulillah.
आप कह रहे हैं.
We are lucky, alhamdulillah, that we do what we love.
Yeah.
So this work, it is actually our hanging out. We just-
Yeah.
No, but honestly, you know, I think with all seriousness intact, I would like to plug this in as well. These boys are not just hardworking, not just loyal to their craft and dedicated. I feel that you are very unique and you are very much invested in the future of Pakistani music.
Thanks a lot.
So that is something that I appreciate about you, that you're always bringing something different to the table. So
Thanks a lot.
kudos to both of you. Congratulations for everything you've done so far. All the best for the future. Rock on. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching this edition of the S Stories. My name is Sophia Anjum. Every Friday 7 p.m. आप लोगों से मुलाकात होती है with a new guest. Just remember that your artists represent the name of your country. So respect them and always make sure to encourage them. Pakistan Zindabad. Bye-bye.